In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. This task is straightforward and involves only a few steps. Let's dive right in and make your PowerPoint experience exactly how you want it. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the starting point for accessing all your settings. Once PowerPoint is running, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This menu is your gateway to various important options. From the File menu, navigate down to Options. Clicking on Options will open a new window with several tabs. Here is where you can customize your PowerPoint experience. In the Options window, look for the tab labeled Copilot. Once you find it, click on it. This is where you can manage the settings specific to Microsoft Copilot. Now, you will see a checkbox labeled Enable Copilot. To turn off Microsoft Copilot, simply clear this checkbox. This action is crucial because it directly disables Copilot from running in your PowerPoint application. Once you've done that, click OK to save your settings. This ensures that your changes are applied. After making these changes, close PowerPoint completely, then restart it. Restarting PowerPoint is key because it ensures that the changes take full effect. If you don't see the Copilot setting in your options, your version of PowerPoint might be outdated. Microsoft has made the Enable Copilot option available only in newer versions. To resolve this, you should update your Microsoft 365 suite. After updating, check again to see if the Copilot option appears. If you can't find the Copilot checkbox, there's an alternative method to disable AI features. Once again, start by opening PowerPoint. Then go to File, and from there click on Account. In the Account section, look for Account Privacy. This is where you can manage your privacy-related settings. Within Account Privacy, select Manage Settings. Here you will find an option called Connected Experiences. Turn off the setting labeled Turn on Experiences that analyze your content. By doing this, you are effectively disabling various AI-powered features, including Copilot. Remember, this will also turn off other AI features like Designer, automatic alt text, and some smart suggestions. So consider what features you use before proceeding. Now close PowerPoint again and restart it. This step is necessary for the changes to take effect. You should now see that Copilot and other AI features are disabled. If your goal is simply to hide the Copilot button and not disable it entirely, there's a quick way to do that. Move your cursor to the Copilot bubble or button located at the bottom right of your PowerPoint window. Right-click on it and you'll see an option that says Dock. Select Dock. This action will hide the Copilot button along the far right ribbon. Keep in mind, this only hides the button and does not fully disable Copilot. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to turn off or hide Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Remember, these steps ensure that your PowerPoint setup is tailored to your preferences, giving you more control over your presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.